We have clients who are scared. We have clients who are looking at life in prison. To have their voice heard is extremely important.
Most of our clients have not had a run-in with the law before. Vast majority of our clients are one-time users of the criminal justice system. And if you're not good at helping them, they're going to be stuck in prison the rest of their lives.
Anything that we can do to make sure that they're taken care of and to make sure they walk out of that courtroom with us and that they're found not guilty or they get an advantageous agreement, we will do.
That whole feeling of being guilty starts from the pressure that the state or the government puts on these folks. It's our job to make sure they're not stuck with some sort of horrible restriction that makes their life a living hell.
I've been in cases where judges have been screaming and yelling at me, berating me in front of a jury, to the point where spit's coming out of their mouth, hitting me. And you have to be willing to stand up for your client.
You have to care. If you're going to be invested in the case, then you are simultaneously invested in the client. We leave no stone unturned. If there's a way to defend someone, we figure it out. It doesn't matter to us. What matters is the client.
The best compliment I ever received was from a sweet old lady after a trial, where she saw me consistently getting berated by the judge, consistently seeing the judge favor the prosecution. And at the end, after we got a not guilty, she came up to me and she grabbed my hand and she said, "We saw how you were treated by that judge, and we saw that it was not about money for you. We saw that it was because you really cared about this client."
The client needs us to fight for them because we know how, and that's what they hired us to do. That's what we give them.